In 3, 2, 1. Pack Ganern Acting Challenge. Go!
Akala mo lang, wala! Pero pa, meron! Ganern!
Wow! Wow, easy. Our next picture is...
And don't you dare... Alam mo yung ibig sabihin? Just shut up.
Don't you dare fall in love with me. Yan yun.
Don't you dare. Just shut up and back me. And don't you dare ganun me.
Okay, okay. Take two.
Don't you dare ganun me. Just shut up and back me. And don't you dare ganun me. Tama?
Yes! Okay, oo. Sabihin mo, huwag na natin ito ipapagawa. Sino ba nagbigay ko? Okay, number 3.
You had me at my back. She had me at me.
This is from the movie na One More Chance, tama?
I don't know. It's me at my back.
He had me at my back, she had me at my best.
Ano ba nangyari pag nasaktan siya o
He
ganun?
had me at my best, she had me at my worst. Parang nakipag-break up si Basha kay Popoy. Tapos yun yung sinabi niya kay Tasha.
Parang nasaktan siya.
Oo, nasaktan siya.
You had me at my back. She had me at my You had me at my back. She had me at my girl. Hindi ko alam.
He had me at my back, she had me at my dinner. Oo, drama lang.
Hindi kasi ako pa marunong ng gano'n.
Kaya mo yun, bebe. Sige, sabihin mo lang yung linya na lang. Go. Tapos harap ka lang sa camera. With simple emotion.
You had me at my back. She had me at my girl.
Okay, last two. Okay, the next picture is, kaya siguro nila tayo iniwan dahil may bagong pack na gaganon sa atin. Dahil may taong magmamahal sa atin. Yun yung linya kasi talaga niya. Kaya siguro nila tayo iniwan dahil may bagong magmamahal sa atin. So pinalitan lang natin yung magmamahalan dahil may bagong pack, may bagong tao na magmamahal sa atin.
Kaya siguro naman tayo iniwan dahil may bagong pack na gaganon sa atin.
Okay? Anytime you're ready, Marco. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Kaya siguro tayo iniwan dahil may...
Okay, go. Take two.
Dahil may bagong pack na gano'n
sa
sa atin.
Yes.
Dahil may bagong pack na gano'n sa atin.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, take 2, go!
Kaya siguro tayo iniwan dahil may bagong pack na gaganon sa atin.
Oh. At syempre, last, this is from the movie Starting Over Again. I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason. Yun yung tamang linya dyan. Pinalitan lang natin ang pack at ganun. Okay. Medyo ano yan, intense, medyo galit. Oo. Benefit years ulit dito, oh. Member siya ng Kissmark.
Okay.
Okay? Marco, anytime you're ready, in 3, 2, 1, go!
I deserve a pack. I deserve an acceptable ganun.
Oh! In fairness, Mark, hindi kasi maganda yung ano mo eh, yung maganda yung pagtatagalog mo, kaya medyo okay ka talaga sa pagdrama. Oh.